Hi there, it's George here, and today I have to show you something exciting, and this is aloe vera, and it blooming for the first time. I propagated it by cutting, and in the past 3 years ago I did made videos, and today is a special video because it is in full bloom and really beautiful. As you can see, I should close up this beautiful bloom, and I really love the petals, the color, and what makes this bloom. 3 years was passed, and this is for the first time, and the plant I keep outside in summertime, and it benefits to a natural lighting, and I water at the time, but I do not overwater the aloe vera because it's a succulent plant, and they doesn't love to overwater. Finally, it is in bloom and so beautiful, and yeah, deserve this video special. I have posted on YouTube some videos about this aloe, some updates, and all the links you will find in description. Someone asking me how I fertilize my plants, including this aloe vera. Well, I am making my own fertilizer, like I keep the banana peels in water, eggshells, and coffee stuff and other, and then that water I water plants, and those plants are growing just amazing and vigorously in the summertime, and then I move these plants in autumn indoor in October. So I'm really happy that my aloe vera it is in bloom for the first time, and so exciting to see beautiful flower here in focus. By the way, if we can notice here in the top growing the new leaves, that is awesome, and all the leaves are like thick and juicy inside. That is good for this aloe vera. And I noticed on the leaves looks like very burned by the sun when I moved the plants outside in springtime. But anyway, the new leaves are just doing okay. And if we take a look here, as you can see how many aloe vera babies did grow here, which is nice. Sometimes I can cut this aloe vera leaves from the babies, and put in water, and this is like fertilizer for plants. Well, if already has been 3 years, I guess this aloe vera will bloom every year already for me, and that's exciting. And I want to thank you so much for watching this video to the end. That really means a lot for my channel, and hope you enjoyed the blooms, and I will catch you next time. George was here. Bye bye. Do you have aloe in bloom, or aloe vera plant in your collection? I'll see you.